You're a superhero.
Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to update if I post another video. Thank you.
Hello everyone! So sa video na ito, tatalakayin natin kung paano natin isolve ang nth partial sum of geometric sequence. So now let's start. What is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the first by non-zero constant. And then the common ratio is the amount by which we multiply each time. And here are their formulas. For the common ratio, we have the R equals A sub 2 over A sub 1. And for the partial sum of geometric sequence is S sub n equals A sub 1 times 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R. So I'm requesting everyone who watches this video to please keep notes of these formulas because we're gonna use this later on. Okay, done? Whereas the A sub 2 is the second term, A sub 1 is the first term, R is the common ratio, S sub n is the nth term of geometric sequence. So without further ado, let's start answering. Don't worry, it's easy. So let's start. Number 1. Find the partial sum of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24 and Rs or n is 10. So first thing we're gonna do is write the givens. So what do you think are the givens? We have the A sub 1 which is 3, A sub 2 which is 6, and then Rn is 10. And then find, so first we're gonna find the R, and then the S sub n, and then the formula. So for R, common ratio is A sub 2 over A sub 1. And then for the S sub n, we have A sub 1, 1 minus n, 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R. So now let's start solving. Solution. So first, the common ratio. A sub 2, our A sub 2 is 6 and our A sub 1 is 3. So 6 divided by 3, 2. So therefore our common ratio is 2. And then for the S sub n, so S sub n, A sub 1, 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R. So just substitute. Our S sub 1 is 3, parentheses 1 minus our R here is 2. And then 10. So remember that our 2 here is not positive, it's negative. Okay? So when you use your calculator to simplify the negative 2 to the exponent of 10s, you have to include the negative sign. So over 1 minus R. So negative 2 to the exponent of 10 is equal to negative 1024. Okay, next 1 minus 2. So here's the continuation. So 3, 1 minus 1024. It's negative 1023 over 1 minus 2, negative 1. So next, multiply 3 times negative 1023. It's negative 3069 over negative 1. So here, all you have to do is divide. So 369 divided by 1 is positive 3069. So here are partial sum of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24 is 3069. Okay? So if you have questions, you can comment down below. So next, number 2. Find the partial sum of the geometric sequence 2, 4, 16, 256 and our S or N is 5. So first thing we're gonna do is the givens. So what are the givens? A sub 1, A sub 2, and N. Our A sub 1 here is 2, our A sub 2 is 4, and our N is 5. And then we're gonna find, so first the R common ratio, and then the S sub N. And then what are the formulas? Common ratio is A sub 2 minus A sub 1. And for our common ratio is R equals A sub 2 divided by A sub 1. And for S sub N is A sub 1 minus R N over 1 minus R. So now the solution. So first, the common ratio R equals A sub 2 over A sub 1. Our A sub 2 here is 4 and our A sub 1 is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So okay, next the S sub N. So A sub 1 minus R N over 1 minus R. And then just substitute. A sub 1 is 2, 1 minus R is 2, and our N is 5 over 1 minus 2. And then 2, 1 minus so 2, 1 minus 32, it's 31, negative 31 over negative 1. And then 2 times negative 31, it's negative 62 over negative 1. So the answer here is positive 62. So this is your sub 5. So this is your answer. So now, if you have questions or clarifications, you can comment down below and I'm willing to answer the questions. Our next topic is solving word problems involving sequence. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you learned something. See you again. Bye.